closing moments when I find to meet my trials here, trusting in my Father's wise wisdom. I've no cause for worry or for fear. He whose heart is kind beyond all measure, until each day what he deems best. Lovingly, it's part of pain and pleasure, mingling toil with peace and rest. Every day the Lord Himself is near me with a special mercy for each hour. All my cares He filled with fear and cheer me. He whose name is Counselor in power. The protection of His child and treasure is a charge that on Himself He laid. As the days thy strength shall be in measure, is the pledge to me He made. Tribulation, so to trust thy promises, O Lord, that I love not faith's sweet consolation.